In this video, I will show you how to draw leaves. Okay, so now I'm going to start on the first leaf. Someone in the comments requested that I draw leaves and add raindrops onto them, so I'll add the raindrops at the end of the video. Okay, now that I finished the first leaf, I'm going to start on the second leaf. Okay, I finished the second leaf, so now I'm going to start on the third leaf. Now that I finished the third leaf, I'm going to draw a maple leaf. Okay, I think this maple leaf's looking pretty good. Comment below which leaf you think looks the best. 1, 2, 3, or 4. I think the maple leaf looks the best. Okay, now I'm going to start adding raindrops everywhere. Okay, I hope y'all liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe for more how to draw videos like this. I'll be uploading a how to draw video at least once a week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.